Sacred Heart Technical Institute enya mfirihyia aduanan enum ene nti won ahye ho fa na kofa bai Emma Sukui ene Reverend Father Andrew Campbell ebra okasa no de atudwa se oman ka ya ka ekire wo mpuntuo mu no eye enibre no kra eni ho eni sika eba ye nsem a yedi no basa se ye dia anampo se enye ye dia
Aduanan enum eni a Sacred Heart Technical Institute adi adwumason ewo ye maiga na mu ha atete adisuafo pi na Amoah beye atitiri ni anintim titiriwu ene ensanedwuma efam enu nti wo bodwadata edidi wo mumfie aduanan enum yi ekwan so nkokra so na dwumadie na se ena kofare bai edi masuku yi Father Andrew Campbell wori ensembi eko edi ma adehie behia mu wo ho ni titiriwu na adisuafo no eso munya ni da so papa wo mumanya misuro eni kan ewo mabrabom na womuntu anamonwa ebeboa wo mdachi.
The late E.T. Mensah and I fought on paper for this land, and in the end the late J.J. Rowling said to me, "Father, what do you want the land for?" I said, "I want you in a school for children. Take it to school for children." He said, "Give it to Father Campbell. Give it to Father Campbell." That's how we got the land. With God on your side, you will not fail. So my children, this is my 4 points to you. Have your vision. Have your vision. Don't lose your vision. Be principled. Don't tell lies. Work hard. And keep God in your life.
Enu achi and principal at the Sacred Heart Technical Institute Ora Sarah and Damoni one so at the adesre koma by say wome ye womo emwa sane ebeye ni sane dwuma ho dwuma dia wodi e wosuku nim no ebetumi agina ne naso
Ghana yema Tibet no entumi asen sa grammar school no do onu so ye obi an le lie but since I is a middle income and come free set Tibet babwa Babrochil problem was they don't joke with Tibet. They don't joke with skills acquisition. And no meka just need my brother baby but ebini say Tibet school. Tibet school the management is different from grammar school, especially with electricity. We are on prepaid. So sometimes it's difficult, but when you see the fashion department sewing, they use electricity. Catering, we use electricity. Wood and construction, all the departments. So, like a band Katiba schools there, more than prepaid. Because a scam my with the Betobia, but say postpaid there, I know you sure nobody are come out by now,
na esanse suku yi ewo enkra asase so entino gamanche etu na namusini emo no nso ebepie mu odwumadie no ase na namusini ekasa no nso so ede adehre ekoma aban ne se ba bia wiase ekono ewo sensa no dwuma suku ahodo no watimi ehyemu kinasa ne beye na enkoba ne seda ne damofra be wie suku atena fie na wo mu wie suku tena fie no mu wonsa ne dwuma eno nso betimi aboa wo
dokumeni amecho echi when the vocational technical bine no na chuama awomi ni ame kasio me gba fair dressing me gba fair carpentry mason the other skilled jobs oda ni wo se kejispo ekobedon ame kasio dogo jespo homo pe ame kasio dogo skilled job ni kespo homo ta quel lo tous les billets mo ko wa cheleke agaba sa a pipe yale mo ko wa cheleke agaba kla a wardrobe yale there are problems nekone why can't I donate 2 acres of land there 2 plots 2 acres 1 acre is 4 plots or 2 acres is 8 plots of land kuna mena space na mamoni bi o mi we president the current president John Dramani Mahama sorry the Minister of Education Aruna Idrisu amebomitwe yashbon ni keyegbene cheme ba pe yes to cancel koni the necessary documentation is now a kickstart the process here kona fe